Donors are essential for support not only of the library and museum, but what we call the Hoover campus. We are in the middle of one of two national parks in Iowa. The National Park Service operates Hoover's birthplace home, the Quaker meeting house that he attended, and the gravesite. And so for us to provide these stories to the public and to make this available for the next generation, for future generations, we need to have the support of the public. Not only tax dollars, but philanthropic dollars from private donors, corporations, and the like. So the Hoover Presidential Foundation is the support group for the National Park Service and for the Presidential Library and Museum. This whole renovation couldn't have happened without the Hoover Presidential Foundation raising the $20.3 million to make it possible. Most people don't realize that tax dollars only pay for the salaries of the staff, which is 10, and for the maintenance of the building. All of our exhibits, all of our education programs, public programs are things that are provided from money that the foundation provides for us. And so if people want that service continued, those programs continued, these renovations to continue to happen, to update the story based on the latest scholarship and new findings, that support is essential.